I'm Ross McBride, the co-founder and design director of Normal Timepieces. We've been a watch brand since 2006 with our studios based in Japan. We've always been very interested in the history of digital watches. We've experimented over the years about ways to improve them so we could take them to a more contemporary designer watch market. This is something that you can join us to take part in. The new watch we want to make is minimally styled like all of our other products. We see it as a digital watch in an analog body, as its design is modeled after a traditional chronograph with a crown and two pushers. In our case, all three of these are pushers. Its final assembly and quality check will be directly overseen by us in Tokyo. Its functions are standard: time, date, alarm, second time zone, stopwatch, and backlight. Additionally, you have the option of viewing your time in 12-hour AM and PM mode or 24-hour military time. The most striking thing about this watch is something that no other digital watch in the world has. This watch will have a very unique display. Most digital watches have a window printed on the underside of the lens to mask the frame of its liquid crystal display. What always irritated me is that the black of the LCD and the black of the mask are nearly identical. However, once they're overlapped, light gets refracted and they always look different. This makes the shape of the window stand out in a way that's not particularly connected with the overall watch design, so it's just something that the watch designer has to work around. Our display resolves this problem with an original process developed by us. To put it simply, we remove all of the air from between the lens and the LCD so the light can pass straight through. Because the light is now uninhibited, both of the blacks line up perfectly. This allows us to eliminate the window altogether and make our mask the shape of the actual display graphics. The result of this process makes for a very deep and consistent black across the entire face of the watch to accentuate its vivid digits. This is why we named the watch Tokiji, Japanese for numerals that represent time. I hope you appreciate all of the effort we put into this simple watch. We need crowdfunding support because, as it turns out, it's very difficult to make a digital watch these days. Very few factories that can make the custom digital module we require are still around. The ones that are demand huge minimum quantities. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your support.